Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Mewtwo in his armored form from the original Pokemon series. If you must know, Mewtwo is the psychic type Pokemon, and it was created by a scientist after years of horrific gene splicing and DNA engineering experiments. Yeah, sorry, I was just reading this card. Anyways, you see Giovanni, he outfitted Mewtwo with a special armor that suppresses his power. If you must know, Mewtwo, the first episode he was seen in was in Battle of the Badge, which I really enjoyed that episode a lot. He's a really powerful Pokemon, and he wasn't seen in any other show, but any other series, but I get the good feeling that we might see him again real soon. Anyways, so when you start drawing him, you must draw his head. Okay, so next up, here's his mask. Hold on a sec. I think I did something wrong. Okay, so next up, here's his eyes here. I don't know if I should do that. Anyways, here's it. Next part is this thing right here. As you must know, Mewtwo was part of Team Rocket and was Giovanni's partner, but eventually he escaped. That was not how I wanted the saga to start or end. Then they wouldn't have had to start that movie. I mean, seriously, it would have been better if Pikachu would have fought Mewtwo and Giovanni in the end and put a stop to Team Rocket once and for all. And it involves all the Pokemon transferring their energies into Pikachu and stopping him from causing a disaster. And after that, Ash decides to go to Johto and start his new beginning as a Pokemon master. After all, his dream and goal is to explore the entire world and see what kind of Pokemon live there. In any case, Mewtwo, his armor was also seen in Pokemon Mewtwo Strikes Back, and I think he was in Mewtwo Returns as well. And another thing, you see Mewtwo, he was seen in Mewtwo Returns and Genesect and The Legends Awakened. From what I've learned, I think that Mewtwo should be in more episodes, more than just this. That way Ash wouldn't have had to deal with Team Rocket's meddling, and Meowth would have a good change of heart. Anyways, here's his foot. Okay. almost done. And next up, you must do with this part here. After all, his body is mostly made out of mostly covered in armor. There's his shoulder padding here. And done. Let me just add some wires up here. Like he's in the laboratory or something. And done. Basically, that's how you draw Mewtwo armored by Team Rocket. Anyways, I know it doesn't look as much as in the picture, but you get the idea. Let me just there we go. That's done. And pretty much that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what I'm going to draw next. Well, I'll see you guys later.